Arc flash hazards are a risk for any facility and can cause not only significant personal injury, but loss of business, production time, and revenue. But before we talk about how to prevent arc flash, let's talk about what it actually is. An arc flash is an electrical explosion that happens in energized equipment. In equipment, electrons move through a conductor, creating the energy that powers or energizes the equipment. Voltage pushes these electrons off the conductive surface and onto atoms and molecules in the air, creating ions. Usually, the air surrounding these electrically charged ions is able to insulate them, preventing an explosion. But if another conductor gets inside that energized area, like a tool, moisture, dust buildup, critters, or even someone's hand, the electrons will travel through that new path, creating an arc. This arc creates heat. If enough heat is generated, it can cause an explosion, otherwise known as an arc flash. Arc flashes can reach 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 4 times hotter than the sun. Depending on the voltage of the machine, workers up to 23 feet away are in danger. Arc flashes can produce flying debris and even throw a person across a room. Whether a minor or major event, anytime an arc flash occurs, it's dangerous. Let professionals at ECS protect your people and distribution center from arc flash incidents. We provide regular preventative maintenance, arc flash assessments, hazard analysis and audits, complete with labeling, lockout, tagout services, and even ongoing electrical safety training, annually, biannually, or as regularly as your distribution center needs it. Your time is valuable. ECS is here to give you more of it. Call ECS today for 24/7 nationwide preventative maintenance and service for all your distribution center needs.